Hello my dear children, now we can study chapter 4 simple equations. Here we know that 5, 6, 8, 9, 100 are constant. A fixed value is there. Then for this A, B, C, X, Y, any alphabetic. Then here these are unknown values. These are known as variables. These are known as constants, numbers, okay. Constant value is there. For unknown values, we use variables. For unknown values, we don't know the value of these letters. So, for these unknown values, we use variables. These are constants, okay. For here, 5 plus 7, then 8 plus 10, and here x plus 5, 2 plus y, then here 5 plus 12, we know that is 12, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, here 8 plus 10 that is equal to 18, here a fixed value is there, constants, that is numerical, okay. Then here we can say x plus 5, 2 plus y. We don't know the value of this. But here, if there is equal to sign, x plus 5 is equal to 9, then we can say x is equal to 4. Okay, x will be 4. Then in case of x plus 5 is equal to 6, here x will be 1. So we can say that these are algebraic expressions. Then here it is x has different values according to these questions, that is statements. Okay, according to the statements. That is, variable can receive any values according to the problems or expressions or the statements. Okay, then here we can say some phrases for operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the 4 operations. Now we can say for this addition we can write as in words, that is plus. Okay, that is here a plus 7. Okay, a plus 7. In another way, we can say added to. Another word is added to. That is a added to 7. A added to 7. A plus 7. Another word is more than. That is 7 more than A. Okay, 7 more than A. Another word is sum. This sum of A and 7. Sum of A and 7. The next one, increased by. Increased by. That means A increased by 7. Okay, these are the phrases for this addition. Okay, operation addition. Which all are they? Plus, added to, more than, sum of, increased by. Okay, then another case, subtraction. So we can say that n minus 11. So here another variable. Here I used a. Then here I can use n or any other variable. That is minus is the 1. So we can say n minus 11. N minus 11. The another word is, here we can use n minus 11. Okay. Then n subtracted by 11. Another word is difference between. That is the difference between n and 11. N and 11. Less than. That is 11 less than n. 11 less than n. Okay. Then decreased by. That is n decreased by 11. Okay. These are the phrases for the operation subtraction. Here for the operation multiplication, we can say an example 7y. So we can write 7 times y. Okay, 7 times y. Then multiplied 2. Another word is multiplied 2. So we can say 7 multiplied 2y. Okay, the product of, another word is the product of 7 and y. Product, multiplying time, we will get an answer. That is known as the product. Okay, next one, division. Okay, then phrases. An example is m divided by 4. Now we can use m divided by 4. Another word, divided into. So we can say m divided into 4. Okay, then quotient of m and 4. Quotient, what is that? That is, here 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. This answer is known as quotient. That is, here 8 divided by 4. Here we will get an answer. This will be the quotient. Quotient. Okay. Now we have studied the different phrases for our 4 operations. Now, in case of statement, how can we say that? Here, m plus 7 equal to 10. What can we say? Here, how can we say this one? M plus 7 equal to 10. How can we write the statement of this one? Here we can write m added to 7 gives 10. This is the statement of this expression, algebraic expression. Okay, then how can we say this one? X minus 11 is equal to 20. How can we write the statement? Here we are taking away 11 from this x. So we can say that taking away 11 from x. Taking away 11 from x gives, okay, gives 20. Okay, this is the statement of this algebraic expression. Here one statement, 1/3 of n gives 4. 1/3 of n gives 4. Here 1/3, that is 1/3 of n. Okay, this one gives 4. Okay, then 1 times n itself by 3 is equal to 4. Now we can say 1/3 of n gives 4. Then if it is 1/4, how can we write? 1/4 of z gives 5. How can we write? 1/4 of z equal to 5. 1 times z itself on 4 is equal to 5. So this is the statement. Here we can notice x minus 5 is equal to 7. It's an equation. Why? Here equal to symbol is the Also LHS part is there, RHS also is there. Then here also if we 2x minus 7 or anywhere, anything. So an equation contains an equal to sign, also LHS part and RHS part will be there. When we are solving, we have to get LHS and RHS are equal to each other. Both sides should be equal. Then here LHS. While solving this LHS, we have to get RHS. Here x minus 7 is equal to 10 is an equation. Then here we can find the value of x variable. Here the variable is x. Constant is 7 and 10. Okay. Here x, how can we find out? 1 minus 7 is equal to negative 6. So this is not equal to 10. What is our aim? We have to find the value of x. But when we are applying the value of x, we have to get 10 itself. Okay. Then next we can apply 2. 2 minus 7 is also not equal to 10. That will be minus 5. So this is not the solution of this x. So 2 is not the value of, 1 is not the value of x, also 2. Okay. Then another number. Then you know that here when we are writing 17 minus 7, we will get 10. So now the value of x is equal to 70. Now we got x equal to 17. So the value of variable is known as root of an equation. Root of an equation. Okay. That is the value of an equation is known as the root of this equation. An equation contains two parts. One is LHS side and RHS side. There will be an equal to sign. Okay.